In this video, I'll show you how to add video to LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification for lots of educational content like this. Now, if you want to add a video to LinkedIn, let's say like you want to upload a video, what you're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. You're going to click on this start a post. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to click on this add a video, right? I'm going to click upload on my computer. Then I'm going to head over to my video where I got my video. So I'm going to just move down. I think I will just upload. Okay, let me see. I'll go to the document, right? I'm gonna click on this. I'll click on the open. Wait for it. So this is the video I want to upload right now, right? So I can still come on here and find the video thumbnail, right? So I'm gonna click on next. What we like to talk about, and just click. Let me say good nature, right? So once I'm done, what I need to do now, I'm gonna just click on this post right here. But because this post is an educational guide video, so I don't think there's any need for me to post this video, right? Because I'm sharing my thoughts on what you guys need to know. So you can see come on here and choose. You can see come on here and choose where you want to see the video, right? Anyone can see group, so you can just work on these settings, right? So once you're done, okay, let me see. I'm gonna go back to the post, right? So this is the post. So once you're done, you're gonna click on this post right here, and your post will be posted automatically. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next